Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best soldering irons in the market. Let's get started with the video. Number 5. IRODA. These butane torch lighters are a must-have soldering machine for electronics, hobbyists and enthusiasts. Cordless soldering iron that's a powerful and compact electronic repair toolkit that heats up in 18 seconds and delivers up to 40 minutes runtime. Small, portable and easily fits in your pocket or your toolbox. Transparent gas tank reservoir for easy fuel indication, one refill lasts 40 min at medium temp range. The cap incorporates a high-quality flint wheel gas igniter and a very useful pocket clip. Soldering iron can be safely stored immediately after use with a heat-resistant protective cap. Number 4. BLACKCUBE. Soldering iron has a built-in LED illumination for precise soldering in dimly lit spaces. The large angle lighting allows you to easily cope with dim light working environment. 2000 mAh large capacity built-in battery is equipped with a Type-C charging port which 1 hour quick charge. The battery can be used repeatedly about 1000 times, bringing you long service life and cost saving. With the optimized body structure and material, the TPE handle is comfortable and non-slip that you can hold the soldering iron effortlessly. It is perfect for enthusiasts and hobbyists. Number 3. Weller BL60MP, zero in on your solder joint with confidence with the first soldering iron to use LED illumination on your application. Cordless, compact, portable iron is ready to power on and solder wherever you are. One charge provides 45 minutes continuous soldering or 100 solder joints. Reaches 536 degrees Fahrenheit, solder melting point, in 35 seconds. Round, co-molded handle designed for comfort. Stable, heat-shielded base with built-in side tool stand. This iron is not recommended for use on heavy-duty applications such as heat sinks, ground planes, metal art, and plumbing. Number 2. SREMTCH. Different shapes of tips make soldering iron easy to fit for guitar, watches, wiring, mobile device, computers hardware, small electronic work, TV capacitors or accessories. Works from 200 to 450 degrees Celsius and come with a power switch button and working indicator light. Can be freely and easily open, close and operate. No need soldering station, just plug and play. Adjust the temperature according to your need by the knob wheel on the electronic soldering iron. Soldering iron tools widely used for welding circuit board, appliance repair, home hobbyists, jewelry welding. Suitable for solder starter. Number 1. LEXIVON. 100% metal refillable fuel tank will last longer. Plus it has been pre-tested for leakage and ignition capability and comes with a handy carrying case. Adjust flame from 0.5 to 2.5 inch with working temperature up to 2400 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit while using with soldering tips. The large tank capacity with standard butane gas allows for up to 75 minutes runtime, fully refills in 10 seconds so you can stay on the job. 13-piece accessory set to use in a wide range of applications with self-igniting trigger and a flame-locking button. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.